in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about disabling the mouse indicator on your Windows 11 desktop, laptop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you'll come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel here. And on the right side underneath vision, select mouse pointer and touch. And then there should be an item that says mouse indicator. Click inside the oval until it's toggled off like it appears on my screen, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.